Hello, my lovelies, and thank you guys for tuning into the channel today, you guys. So, today we have a wonderful opportunity from Toyota, you guys. This is Toyota's Research Institute. This is a fully remote job. This job requires no experience, no education, and you guys, this job pays $90 per hour. It is a part time job, but for $90 per hour, so what? Okay, so let's get into the shout outs. The shout outs today, we got Diane B. She makes $162,000. So she just got our offer in. Miss Crystal G. She got our offer in for 122, and Mr. David W. He got our offer in for $73,000. You got $173,000. You guys, they picked up the resume kit because the resume kit has everything that you need. You don't need to. Basically, you don't. It's a no think kit, you guys. It's 10 easy minutes, and literally, you don't have to go through the hustle of searching the internet for a template, and then when you get to it, you need a subscription. No, do everything that you need to do on the resume kit right then and there, you guys. It's 10 easy minutes, and like I said, all you have to do is plug and play. The words are there, the phrases are there. Just plug those into your resume and submit for this position. Use my resume kits to land this position, you guys. Also, I want to bring this up. I do have the resume rewrite sessions. Mr. Who is that? Mr. David. Yeah, Mr. Dave W. He did my resume session. You guys can book that too. Go on my website. You can book the resume session and the resume rewrite session. And if you have a specific job, you guys, that you want to apply for and that you need help, literally book, email me the job posting, and email me your resume. Let's work together. And like I said, we're going to rewrite your resume within that session for that particular job, or I'll just do a clear one so that you can apply to any job that you want. But I do offer resume rewrite sessions. So let's get right into this opportunity, you guys. But before we get into that opportunity, I do have another opportunity. All right, you guys. So, this next opportunity, if you are a social media lover, you are going to love this opportunity. If your whole life revolves around social media and marketing, jump on this job, this next job immediately. So, there's a company called Zero Longevity. They are hiring for a social media specialist. This is a part time contract position. This position is $30 per hour, you guys. $30 per hour to be on social media, to be their social media specialist. Jump on this job. Let's get into it right now. Okay, so the social media specialist. So now let's get into the nitty gritty of this job. It says the Zero Longevity team is looking for a remote, part time social media specialist to help manage our social media channels, grow our brand awareness programs, and engage with our community of over 1 million members. This role will be responsible for daily social content publishing, regular community management across all social platforms, and identifying and communicating with brand ambassadors and partners. The ideal candidate should have a passion for social media and the health, fitness, longevity space. Be proactive and creative, and have an excellent communication skills. Must be based in a North American time zone, so time zone does not matter for this position, and be able to regularly attend 2 to 3 team meetings weekly. Okay, let's go down to responsibilities. Responsibilities: schedule daily social media content across multiple channels, perform daily community management activities, monitor and respond to comments, questions, and concerns in a timely manner. Assist with social media analytics to help the team identify insights on content performance, audience growth, and future opportunities. Stay up to date with the latest social media trends, features, and best practices. Potential to assist with occasional social media creation, particularly TikTok and real style content. If y'all don't get on this job is basically telling you you're going to be monitoring their social media. You're going to be monitoring their page. You're going to be the one thinking up the ideas for their reels and TikToks. So if you do this in your daily life, this position is perfect for you guys. Like I said, if you need help writing your resume for this position or for any specific position, book a rewrite session and we will apply specifically for this or any other position that you like, and you can still have the template to customize on your own when you go apply for other jobs within that same category. So like I said, you guys get the resume kit or book a rewrite session. $30 per hour to post on social media and to handle their social media accounts is wild. Do it, you guys. If you ever needed a part-time job, this is the part-time job. Okay, let's go to requirements. Proven 2 to 4 years experience as a social media specialist or similar role. In-depth knowledge of various social media platforms, including Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Familiarity with and passion for health, fitness, and or longevity. Excellent written and verbal communicational skills. Strong analytical and reporting skills with a solid understanding of social media metrics. Ability to work independently and manage multiple projects and tasks simultaneously. Familiarity with social media management and listening tools such as Sprout Social. Experience working with brand ambassadors and social media influencers is a plus. Now, this is what it says, which is get interesting. It says a bachelor degree in marketing communication or related skills is preferred, but not required, you guys. Preferred, but not required. You guys, jump on this job. This is literally one easy resume away from this job. You will be paid $30 part time, you guys. So that's around $120 per day to work on their social media. This is definitely a job where you can hold down a real job and use this job as probably like a side hustle. You guys, get the resume kit. If you get the resume kit, because all of the skills that this job needs is on that resume kit, you guys. And if you need to book a rewrite session, book the rewrite session so that you can land this and any other job anywhere. Okay, now let's talk about the role. This is a 20-hour per week remote contractor position with a flexible schedule requiring a proactive, creative, and results driven individual. Regular evening and weekend hours will be required as part of community management. Must be primarily located in North America. $20 to $30 per hour, guys. $20 to $30 per hour. Get on this job. Get on this job right now. Go get the resume kit. 10 minutes. It has all the words that you need. And if you need help, book the rewrite session, you guys. But let's go to what y'all came here for. You came here for the $90 per hour Toyota Research Institute job. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so one of my really good friends put me on this job. This is from the Toyota Research Institute job. You guys, go, go, go fill out for this job. This job is going to go so fast, you guys. Go fill out for this. So let's get right into it. Hire Art is helping Toyota Research Institute hire outstanding internal communication managers to produce captivating cross-channel communications that inform and inspire the wider Toyota organization. In this role, you will work cross-functionally. Get the resume kit because all of the words that you need to have on your resume. I told you guys, cross functionally is a word that you need to have on your resume. Get the resume kit because all the words are there. Every single keyword that you need is there. Okay, cross functionally with teams to refine communications as well as providing coaching for TRI speakers. The ideal candidate has 5+ relevant work experience in a marketing agency or in an in-house communications team. You guys, do not psych yourself out about this. Even if you don't have any marketing experience, it says an in-house communications team, you guys. Get the resume kit or book a call. So book a consultation so that we can rewrite your resume because an in-house communication team can be anything. Anything, you guys. We're looking for someone with a track record of executing end-to-end multi-channel communication campaign, including working directly with executives within a research or a technology organization. As an internal communication manager, you will write and develop memorable, engaging cross-channel communication and employee experience that inform, engage, and inspire both TRI and the wider Toyota organization. Internet content, newsletters, digital screens, employee spotlights, etc. You will work cross-functionally with various teams, recruiting, people and cultures, DEI research, and more to review and refine employee communications. And then it says you will partner with Toyota communication teams globally to create and execute compelling TIR communication that effectively deliver our message to that community. Provide coaching for TRI speakers and content development support for internal TRI events. So lunch and learns, all of that stuff. Develop and maintain a content calendar to ensure that internal communications are timely and relevant. Product manage open programs and the delivery of a new intranet. 5+ years relevant work experience at either a marketing agency or an in-house communications teams, you guys. 1+ years of internal communications work experience, aptitude for writing content, you guys, and managing projects. Consistent track records of owning and executing end-to-end multi-channel communications campaign for a research or a technology organization, you guys. Get the resume kit. Get the resume kit because the resume kit has all of the keywords that you need to plug and play into your resume so that you can land this job. It has skills, it has key phrases, it has key power words. You guys, get this job. Get this job. Now, you guys, let's look at preferred qualifications. The preferred qualifications is experience with the tech industry and experience partnering with people, culture, and HR teams. So they are not looking for you to have a degree. They're looking for skill. They are looking for skill, you guys. If you put the right words on your resume, if you put the right key phrases on your resume, because they're not looking for education, they are looking for skill. Get the resume kit or book a rewrite session for this job. Get either or, you guys, because for this job, $90 per hour to be their communication manager, and they're not looking for an education, this job is perfect. Look at the commitment. This is a part-time 6-month contract position staffed via HireArt. This role is remote and available to U.S. based candidates. Preference will be given to candidate in Pacific Standard Time Zone, you guys. Go land this job, you guys. This is this is a very easy job. Communication manager, $90 per hour, you guys. Get the resume kit or book a rewrite session. I want you to get this job. I want you guys to get this job. $90 per hour. This is a life changing opportunity, you guys. Life changing opportunity. Because for those 6 months, you could be saving, you could be going to school. This is part time, you guys. You guys, book a resume rewrite, or get the kit to put all the words and phrases that you need on your resume. All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, you guys. Hit the like button for Sam so I could be motivated to keep bringing you some great jobs, great content, because I truly want you to get the six-figure job that you deserve, because these jobs are out here. All right, like and follow. Bye.